Chapter 25 from the book 101 Secrets of Effective Parenting. Once you are a parent, learn to define your priorities rightly. Once you become a parent, it becomes so important to define your priorities so right, because at that point of time always you have this challenge: is it my career, is it my wealth, is it my health, or is it my family, right? All these things becomes important, so you need to really define which is important. If you're not defining it, you are going to go through a lot of emotional challenges. Always there are going to be moments where should I have to take up this business meeting, or it's my son's birthday, which is something important, which is something I have to do today. Or there are moments you need to decide whether should I have to take this business trip, or I have the exam for my children coming up, so I need to stay with them and help them doing it. So these kind of challenges are going to be consistent. And if you ask me, is there any rule which can actually go ahead and define this is what is important? No. It is up to you to go ahead and define this is something what is important, because I have some real-time experiences. This is about a lady who was working in sales for a large insurance company, and what happened was this: because we had an opportunity to work for the insurance or do a project for that insurance company. So we had an opportunity to do a project for that insurance company where he had an interaction with her, and so for her, she will do anything to ensure she makes it happen. She was always top on the sales. She starts very early to work, and the whole day she puts her best, and she gets back home very late, and she's always on top, and she wants to ensure she is best when it comes to her career. And if you go ahead, check what is her priority. Actually, it's not her career, because she was a single mom having two girls, and so she felt she's not just a mom, she's also a provider. She also must have to do the role of the father, so she has to go all out to make it happen. So she defined her priorities so well. Never she feels that I'm giving less to my children, though she starts very early from work, and she never compromises. She works on weekends, so all these sort of things, she never feels bad, she never regrets that. But why? Because she's very clear on the priority, saying this is very important because I'm going to make or give the best to my children. I'm going to give the best to my daughters. So that is the kind of thought she was having. And similar to that, this is about another person who was working for a bank and was also a participant, who was having two children, and his experience was completely different. His decisions were completely different, because there are times he has to deny his promotions because he has to move out of the current city where his children study, because he strongly feels that's where his children get the best education. So he was different. He didn't even hesitate a bit to say no for a promotion. Or there are also times where he said, I missed out some golden opportunities of my career because I had opportunity to go ahead and start a new branch for my bank overseas. It comes for few people in the lifetime kind of opportunity, which I said no, because I wanted to be with my children, because that actually calls for me to shift away, being there for a few years away from family, which I felt is completely not making sense, because it's a growing up age for the children, and after that they're going to get away from us. So I wanted to be there with them when they're growing up, so I don't have any regrets for it. I might have made more wealth, I might have been more successful in my career, but I'm very happy on the kind of decisions what I've actually made, and there are no regrets for me, right? And when you see the kind of difference, they're completely different kind of decisions, different kind of experiences in life, but both these people are actually very clear on the kind of decisions they have made. They stood by it. They always felt the decision what I took was right. It is for the betterment of my family. It is for the betterment of my children. That's what they actually felt. So when it comes to making the right choice, the kind of priorities what you have in life has to be very clear. So once you make the priorities clear, that resolves a lot of things. Otherwise, you'll be torn between emotions. You always feel whether my decision is right. Is this, I should not have done this. There's going to be a lot of regrets later. So always the question is this: if you need to choose between two, say for example, your career and family, which one you will choose. I know both are important, but if I give you a choice to choose only one, so which one you will choose? So that actually tells you what is important. And again, every decisions of your life must be driven by that. That's when you are happy as a parent. That's when you actually teach the right things to your children to choose the right set of things. Once you have become a parent, you will need to define your priorities clearly to yourself. It will help you make tough choices confidently, not tear you apart emotionally every single day.